Colin. Oh, shucks. That's a nice one, buddy. Yeah! That's a marlin, baby. That's a beautiful brown right there.
We're keeping that one.
Yeah, we're gonna keep it. Colin, that's a giant.
That was the awesome one.
All right, y'all, it is opening day of Hatchery Supported. My buddy Trevor hooked us up on a great spot.
Yeah.
We've already caught 4 fish. It is raining nasty, but we're having a wonderful time. Colin just pulled in this, looks like about a 17-inch brown. Good job, buddy. What's up, Colin? You got another one? You stuck.
Oh.
It is a muddy, rainy day. Nice one, Axel. Good job, buddy. Woo! He's reeling in a nice one. Look, Colin.
Let it rip.
Oh, he's got one. Nice. Colin, you got one. I think you might have got all. Here, reel. We actually think we got him. Big one? Slow it, buddy. Slow it. It might be a giant.
That's the keeper. That's the keeper.
Hold on, buddy. Hold on. He's a big one.
That's the keeper.
Nice, buddy.
That's the keeper.
Axel's wearing them out today.
I actually had one and then it got off.
Did it snap the line? Hold on, Parker. Let me get a net.
Nope, I'm not ready. Oh. Oh, that's stuck in your line. Oh, look at this. Brown.
Oh.
I'm going to cut your line. Ready? That's keeper. That's
Yeah,
keeper.
it's a keeper.
Oh, they actually cut it.
Let's Colin's on it. Hold on. Good job, Parker. Good job. Hold on. There we go.
This is another nice brown. Look at icon.
Oh, you getting one? You getting one? You got? Ooh! Get him! Set him! Yeah, Axel, you got him, buddy. You got him. That's it. Ooh! Ooh! Axel set the hook on that baby. Huh? Good job, Axel. Give me 5, man. Yeah, buddy. Oh, you're just stuck. He's got one. Nice. Coming down. It's coming down, but we're still catching trout. It is coming down out here. We're having a blast. My brother's over there. He's catching trout. We're all catching trout. That's what it's all about. No pun intended. Back. He's gonna come back. Be careful, Colin. Oh, he got one. Oh no! Got him. Whacking and stacking. Yeah, keeper. Good job, buddy. Good job. Oh, he's huge. He is huge.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Huge.
Can you see him? Pull him up, Parker.
Keep drilling. Keep drilling. Go. One up the job. Whoa. Easy, Parker. Easy.
Easy, Parker. Right there.
Easy.
Easy, Parker.
Easy. Go back towards up the job.
Go. Stay with me.
That's coming.
Go back towards up the top.
Whoa.
Easy, Parker. Easy.
Get him.
Parker, stay here. Parker, don't move. You gotta stay where you're at.
Not want him to go in the current.
You want to get him yourself?
Now get him.
Parker, stay here. Back up. There you go.
Oh my God! That's the one, baby! Let's go!
I don't know if I got it. I don't know if the thing got it. That's pretty
Yeah, it
good.
is.
Whoa.
Holy crap!
That's a good one right there,
That's
buddy.
a Guatemala right there.
This thing's going to...
Holy crap!
Nice
Bring it in,
brown.
buddy.
I don't know if
Go
I
ahead.
got all
Go
the...
ahead and get your spot over there.
I don't know if I got all the footage.
You did, but Josh,
Ginormous.
that is massive.
This is even bigger than college.
Holy cow!
Then no, I own the record of the biggest fish.
Now you do.
I beat in college.
Nice job. Let's go put him in the cooler.
It's definitely a mountain.
Yeah. Good job, buddy. Snatching him out.
Next.
Be careful, you almost broke the rod.
Nice one.
Swallowed the
This is
hook.
a nice one.
It is a nice one. All right, y'all, we're wearing them out. We just caught not 18-inch big old brown. You'll see that fight. I thought I was gonna.
I did.
He did. I thought I was gonna pop the line. Parker did a great job of not horsing it too much. And as you see, I was dancing around the water trying to net it without breaking the line, but it was, every time I tried to get close, it was spooking, and finally got into some muddy water where it couldn't see me, so we got it. I think we've got probably Parker's almost got his limit, and Colin's probably caught 4. I'm not really counting. We're gonna try to catch 2 limits, Parker and Colin. I'm all good for catching the limit. 14 fish is enough for us.
I caught this giant fish.
Pick it up.
And I'm moving.
Good job, buddy. How'd you catch it? With a worm?
And I could have pulled it in by myself, but Daddy tried to help me, and I could have done it by myself.
So Parker caught this 18-inch brown. We're probably gonna try to get mounted. You'll see in the video. Thanks to my buddy Trevor for getting us out here. We're in Western North Carolina. So we had a really fun fishing day. Caught our limits, and we're ready to go and have some fun. Maybe do some turkey hunting later on.
Dad, is this a brown?
That's a brown trout. It's a big brown trout.
It looks like a rainbow.
Yeah.